Welcome back to Crypto News. I am your host Jordan. Nothing in this video is financial advice, so always do your own research and due diligence. In this video, we are going to be addressing the elephant in the room, why there is a massive bull market right now in cryptocurrency privacy altcoins, but not in Bitcoin, and we have a full market update as well as some altcoin news. If we take a look at what's happening, Zcash is not only up well over 10x, guys, but it is heading back to its all-time high here, which is all the way up like this, right? So it just did another 289% rise. Well, that's the full range to the top, which would be 306%. But as you can see here, it's already up 276%. Okay, just in the last few weeks. Zcash already previously did a 10x here in the first rally, and now it's rallying back to the all-time high. And in the last video early, we did tell you guys that Railgun is about to do 100% pump, and then this is how much it went up by. So from the low of the range, which is when we were discussing it, up to here, that is 437%, guys. So congratulations for you guys who were early. And if you don't want to miss our next calls on this channel, remember we discussed this in the previous video and the one before that and the one before that. So we discussed it, all of them in the row, and we also discussed it, guys, when this chart was here. So look very carefully on the chart. We discussed it here and here. Okay, begging you to get into Railgun, telling you that the privacy narrative is heating up and that this is the top privacy narrative currently being built on Ethereum, right? Because you have Zcash, which is a separate privacy altcoin, and you also have Monero, of course, guys, the world's biggest privacy altcoin in cryptocurrency. All of them are doing well, but this is a newer low cap one, and Railgun was well under 100 million market cap, and it went all the way up to well over $200 million market cap. Okay, guys, and now we're coming back down again. So congratulations if you won the early calls. You joined the on-chain legend tier, which is right here, guys. Okay, this is the private Discord community. Okay, and then you won't miss the next ones. And also, if you do not already have a private no KYC cryptocurrency wallet, then download Best Wallet. This is in the link in the video description, and you can get this on Google Play Store or Apple App Store. It is audited by Certic here, which is the best security in crypto. And also, this is a no KYC crypto wallet, which means anyone anywhere globally can use this, and it is free for absolutely anyone to use. It is a multi-chain, non-custodial cryptocurrency wallet, and you can cash out to fiat currencies your profit at any time you want, just with one single click from this wallet. It's amazing, and you can connect all of your wallets into this. Now remember, never have all of your crypto in one wallet or one exchange. Always be diversified across multiple wallets and multiple exchanges, guys, to be safe, protected, and to keep yourself diversified in cryptocurrency. Okay, so never have all of your assets in one place. This one is best for an altcoin and meme coin portfolio. So for this one, you want to use it to build like an altcoin portfolio with it and manage that respectively. If you want to trade cryptocurrency futures, then this platform KSEX, guys, has the lowest trading fees, and it's currently a futures trading platform that everybody on this channel has been joining because you guys are loving the low fees, and of course they have massive new user bonus rewards. So the link to join this new the best exchange on the market right now for the futures trading in terms of the lowest fees is down below. And also, if you're bullish on meme coins still, you connect your cryptocurrency wallet to this website here, and then you ape in using Ethereum, Solana, USDC, USDT, or CARD or BNB, guys. If you don't know what this is yet, this is an early access to Bitcoin Hyper, which is so this is their website. This is a Bitcoin layer 2 chain meme coin project. So this is the meme coin sector mixed with the Bitcoin layer 2 chain sector, and it also does have ZK rollups, so the ZK narrative, along with the Lightning Network, Optimism, Rootstack, and all of these other Solana virtual machine bullish catalysts and narratives. So if you're interested in this, as you can see, 30 buyers have joined in the last 24 hours, and you can see the live people buying at the top here, the live transactions. So they have raised nearly 33 million US dollars, and this one has a lot of momentum behind it. So feel free to check this out. The link is in the video description. Again, this is an early access project. And guys, finally, if you do want to place some crypto bets, this is another new and upcoming crypto betting platform. It's similar to, you know, prediction markets, betting, but it is a no KYC crypto futures trading platform. Feel free to check it out. The link to this again is in the video description. The data for the crypto industry, guys, still shows Hyperliquid in the lead, and by fees it's generating 1 million in transaction volumes per day. If we do look at the chart of this one, then we can see that Hyperliquid is on a rampage. It is still heading up to another all-time, it's basically all-time highs every single day. So each daily candle is a new all-time high, and today we can see right up here, guys, bang, there it is. We have hit a new all-time high for Hyperliquid. The momentum and the trend is continuing. As always, guys, we told you to be aware of this one, and also let's show you something else that's happening in the market. So we can see that the DeFi, the total value locked in DeFi is currently 85.592 billion. Let's actually refresh this. Let's try to see a chart of how the TVL has been affected recently in the crypto industry. It's kind of dropping down, right? It's kind of dropping down as Bitcoin goes down as well. So we've seen privacy coins exploding and on a rampage. Let's look at Bitcoin itself. It's doing the opposite. It's doing the opposite, right, to what most of the leading top privacy coins are in fact doing, which is going down, right? So Bitcoin is not looking good. It is heading down into this bearish pattern here. So we're here. If it goes to the bottom of the range, it will hit this sideways, this horizontal level. So that's the level going sideways like that. Now, if we break through this floor, then we could be going to lower lows. So it's crazy how the privacy coins and coins like Hyperliquid are still pumping despite this, bearish trend that we are in with Bitcoin. Also, if we remove this, there's another problem here with this chart, guys, and that is basically that we are in a bear flag because we have the pole going down and then we basically have that. So that's just a rough drawing, but you can basically understand that that is an upside down flagpole, which is a bear flag. So these normally, when it gets to this corner of this flag, right, breaks downwards most of the percentage of the time. So this is very, very bearish, incredibly bearish for crypto. And what's even more crazy is that this is all happening at the same time as we are in a bull market for stocks. If we go to the top, here is the S&P 500. And the Nasdaq, look at this, they're both at all-time highs. So every day they're making all-time highs. Even the Dow Jones Industrial Average here is making new all-time highs every day. Okay, the Russell 2000, new all-time highs every day. The US 30 index is on an absolute massive rampage. The dollar is holding strong at 98.9, and the US bond yields are coming off of their recent, sort of scare for the bond market, where they did have their surge up to these highs here. So if this is coming down, that's causing stocks to go up even more and more. And then we do have the likes of Nvidia, which is just exploding. This just keeps going up and up, higher and higher. And then we do have all of the tech or the Magnificent 7 stocks leading the market higher. Meanwhile, MicroStrategy, let's take a look at this. So this it did start kind of an upwards trend. So look at that, it had this bounce from the bottom, right? It went up, it hit this area here, then came down, and now is this a bounce, right? Are we going to continue going upwards, or could this get rejected somewhere around this level and then head back down? We will see what happens next. But this is a very important stock to keep your eye on, because this is the one that most of the crypto industry and Bitcoin believers are focusing on right now, is what's going to happen with MicroStrategy. Are they going to go bankrupt? Are they going to have to sell all of their Bitcoin and crash the price of Bitcoin even further? Or is this magnificent financial experiment going to continue for longer? Stretch, which is the dividend paying yield stock that Michael Saylor is currently paying 11.5% on, is also at about 99. So we're waiting for this to repeg at 100. So currently, if it's lower, that means you actually get even higher than 11.5%, but it's also more risky. But as we can see, these dips that keep happening keep getting bought up by investors as they continue to use Stretch to buy more Bitcoin each time as well. So they're actually using this to increase their Bitcoin stack. But there is massive, wild speculation at the moment that Michael Saylor could at any moment sell Bitcoin, because he did say that he would be willing to sell Bitcoin recently, which is crazy. Now look at gold as well. Basically, after its blow off top up here, or this kind of recent high, I should say, it's come down, it's consolidated sideways a bit, but the main thing is that it is still looking strong, guys. This could skyrocket at any moment up to the high levels again. So keep an eye on this. The bull market for gold may not be over. And then we do have silver as well, pretty much the same. So currencies are holding pretty steady. We have the euro steady and the pound steady here. The Japanese yen, however, this is in big danger. This is a multi-year low over here. And if the Japanese yen breaks this level, it comes down here, right, crashes and then crashes down, the Bank of Japan has to print lots and lots of its currency, Japanese yen, in order to defend the currency. And this just causes this crisis to get worse, because there is a massive crisis in the Japanese bond market. So if we just have a quick look at that, we can see that the Japanese bond market, up here, it is facing the highest yields ever. And they're paying this amount of interest to the world, to the international investors, whilst they have the world's greatest debt to GDP ratio of well over 260% in Japan. So how is that sustainable? Well, we'll have to see what happens next. But this has the power to cause a new crisis soon and potentially crash stocks and crypto. So be aware of that, guys. It is very relevant to the crypto market. And for today, just that little spicy update is what we have for you. Remember, tune into the channel and subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell notifications if you don't want to miss daily updates, alerts, and altcoin news, guys. We are back down into 36 on the fear and greed index, so we could still have a lower leg of this bear market to get into. But if you want to catch the bullish trend in the privacy narrative altcoins and any other altcoin that is bullish, you will hear it first, of course, here on this channel, like always. And remember to jump into the on-chain as well if you are interested in being super mega early. And what else? So thank you guys so much for the amazing support. Again, join us here on this channel as we deliver to you guys the latest market updates and everything that you need to know with the newest opportunities and everything in the altcoin market, so that you never miss out on the latest that is happening. And we will see you all soon in the next videos.